The iPhone 15 series is scheduled to launch in the third week of September, maybe a day sooner than first anticipated. With rumored additions including a USB Type-C connector and the introduction of the Dynamic Island feature, the next models might be significantly different from the iPhone 14 series. According to recent sources, the iPhone 15 series will be launched in the third week of September. While Apple has not yet officially confirmed the precise date or event, Bloomberg writer Mark Gurman believes the new iPhone models will be unveiled a day sooner than originally anticipated. Apple's annual iPhone launch event was previously rumored to take place on September 13th, but Gurman's tweet suggests that it may now take place on Tuesday, September 12th. Signs are increasingly pointing to September 12th, he thinks. The iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max will be available for pre-order on September 22nd. Gurman also speculates that Apple's event may use a hybrid format with recorded footage, akin to the iPhone 14 launch last year. The iPhone 14 series was revealed on September 7th during Apple's Far Out event, with pre-orders beginning on September 9th. It's worth noting that Apple hasn't officially announced the iPhone 15 series, so the rumors should be treated with care. However, if the reports are genuine, the iPhone 15 models will have significant advancements over the iPhone 14 series. One noteworthy difference might be the addition of a USB Type-C connection, which is presently absent from iPhone 14 models. Furthermore, all iPhone 15 models, including normal and Pro variations, may have the Dynamic Island feature, which is now reserved to Pro models. Furthermore, the iPhone 15 Pro models are expected to be powered by the Apple A17 Bionic SoC, while the ordinary iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus may be fitted with the A16 Bionic processor. The Pro models are rumored to contain 6GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of storage in the basic model, with a top-end edition with 2TB of storage. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.